This week in Rivian News, the company has brought on a key new hire to boost manufacturing capabilities. We also have a new addition to the gear shop to help protect your vehicle. Plus, some huge announcements about Rivian's software roadmap that are sure to excite both current and future owners, and plenty more to cover, so let's dive in. First up today, Rivian announced a new hire on LinkedIn, Krishna Bandaru, as their new vice president of manufacturing, a move that could be pivotal in Rivian's growth. With over 25 years of manufacturing expertise from his tenure at Stellantis, Bandaru brings a wealth of experience in scaling production and optimizing efficiency. Where I think his expertise will be most critical is in the ramping up of operations at Rivian's Normal, Illinois facilities for the highly anticipated R2 platform launch in 2026. And that's good news because there are some updates about Rivian's R2 expansion right now. Check out these aerial photos from EV guy Zach shared on X, showcasing the impressive progress at the Normal plant. The images reveal the rapid development of the R2 expansion, including the construction of two brand new logistics facilities. Exciting times are ahead for Rivian. Next up, Rivian has made it even easier to protect your R1T or R1S. You may have seen Rivian sell XPEL paint protection film in the R1 shop before. Well, now you can order both PPF and window film directly from the Rivian gear shop. If you're not sure how these products work, PPF provides a durable self-healing layer that protects your Rivian's paint from scratches, chips, and stains, while window film enhances privacy, offers superior UV protection, and improves heat rejection, perfect for keeping your vehicle cool and looking like new. I've made sure to include the link to the gear shop in the description below so you can check out the set pricing and book seamlessly with XPEL certified partners. Plus, this service comes with an impressive 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty for added peace of mind. Personally, I think this is a great move to standardize pricing, allowing you to compare costs with local shops and avoid potential price gouging. If you're looking to keep your Rivian adventure ready and protected, this is definitely worth considering. Next up, exciting updates to the pre-owned Rivian shop. It's expanding yet again. Nevada is the latest state added to the growing list. This phased rollout has already brought pre-owned Rivian vehicles to customers in Florida, Colorado, Arizona, California, and Illinois, making Nevada the 6th state with access to Rivian's pre-owned store. On the leasing front, West Virginia residents, your time has come. Rivian now offers leasing options in the Mountain State, bringing the total number of states with Rivian leasing to 38. If you've been waiting to get behind the wheel of an R1T or R1S, now's your chance to take advantage of flexible leasing terms. And I would suggest locking in the $7,500 EV tax credit while it's still available, as it might be gone in the new year. This can result in major savings, especially when combining it with other incentives, which I've discussed in previous videos. This might be just the perfect time to lease a Rivian. And don't forget, use my referral code at checkout to snag $750 in Rivian accessory credit and 6 months of free Rivian Adventure network charging. Just enter my code during checkout or use my link to claim these offers now. Let's just take a second. Can you please hit that like button so other Rivian owners can get this video and know everything about what's up and coming for their Rivian? And speaking of Rivian's charging network, let's talk about it. Back in April, Rivian announced plans to open its Adventure network to other EV brands, with a target rollout by the end of 2024. Which is quickly approaching. Recently, Rivian CEO RJ Scaringe hinted in an interview that the official announcement is coming very soon. Scaringe shared that he's been personally reviewing the software design for non-Rivian users, saying it's gonna be awesome. This suggests that Rivian is planning a seamless app experience for non-Rivian owners, likely integrated into the Rivian app. Much like Tesla's approach, this move is fantastic news for EV drivers, especially those seeking adventure near national parks, where Rivian has strategically placed its chargers. Opening the network not only benefits Rivian, but also supports a broader EV community in exploring the great outdoors with ease. Now, on to the big news of the week. It's Bits with Been Said. During the LA Auto Show, there was a Q&A session hosted at the Venice Rivian Space, featuring Quinn from Snazzy Labs and Rivian's own Wasim Bin Said. The event covered some incredible updates about Rivian's future, and I've got all the key takeaways right here. If you want more information about this Q&A, I'll post Rivian Tracker's full article right in the description below. Now let's talk about software and updates. There's a lot to get excited about. Here's what's on the horizon. Google Cast is coming soon, giving your full screen access to thousands of apps. This will be part of Software Update 2024.47, which should roll out this December 2024. There's also a revamped Energy App 2.0, which will provide detailed charging insights and sustainability tips. Other highly requested features like manual DC fast charge preconditioning and tire size configurator will roll out early next year. And for my fellow Rivian owners that go to the track, launch mode is making its way back in 2025 with new features for Gen 1 quad owners. But let's be real, the real winner here is Google Cast. We've all been waiting for it. This puts Rivian's front screen for entertainment all the way at the top of the list. Now, if you have a Gen 1 vehicle, don't worry about being left in the dust with software updates just yet. Rivian is committed to keeping your ride feature-rich as long as hardware allows for it, as they are doubling down on simplifying vehicle computing with their zonal architecture from Gen 2, which makes future software updates more efficient. Another big focus, the user experience. Rivian is working on customizable gauge clusters, smarter AI-powered voice controls, and a revamped interface to make everything more seamless. Wasim states, our goal is to provide access to every feature through voice, screen, and app. Now, lastly, Rivian hinted at integrating third-party apps like Gaia GPS to enhance your adventures. Wasim states, while we can't provide a timeline, our long-term vision includes an open platform for app developers. I've always said a la carte apps for Rivian that are designed with Rivian would make for the best in-car experience. I don't know who needs to hear it, but CarPlay is definitely not the answer. That wraps up this week's Rivian news. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you're the first to know about all things Rivian. If you have any questions or favorite features from today's updates, let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from all of you. Thanks for watching, and remember, adventure is always out there.